So far, I've just made my bedroom, which I feel is pretty close to scale. Um, Bed carpet, the bathroom, um, and then I made my hallway. And I live kind of far away from the living room kitchen, so I'm going to start that next. The hardest part is just getting the scaling right with all the fixtures and the doors and the windows and making sure the chairs are proportionate. So this is the completed room. Um, you can see right here I have my bedroom in this top right corner, um, and then we have the hallway going down to the living room kitchen area. I thought that was much harder just with all um, the accessories, sizing those to the proportionate size and making it seem like a cohesive normal room.